Hello, have you ever fallen for one of these giveaway scams? If so, in this video we'll tell you the next steps if it happened just frequently. So these are the next steps and it would be advisable to do them timely. So as soon as you found out that these giveaway scams are not real, then do this what I'm going to describe in this video. So quickly I'm going to give you the premise here. You can see here that whenever they're using some old footage of Brett Garlinghouse in an interview with Julia Child or sometimes with Pompliano and so on, they're obviously trying to make it seem real. They've got all these information, looks a little bit modern, whatever, and people who are not cautious might fall for these. And what are they doing? They are showing you a website, pumpripple.com. So if I now enter that one in the browser, I'm just gonna enter it here. And when I enter it in the browser, you can see here the website always looks the same as well. And they're promising you to give them whatever X amount, and they're going to send you twice back. So if you send 5,000 XRP, you will get 10,000 back. And that's always a lie. And this is known scam. And as you know, the XRP ledger, if you're sending XRP, they also offer live chat. So it's, as you can see here, they will assure you, the money's on the way, and they will even assist you in getting scammed. All right. So what can you do if you got scammed, if you send it away and you don't get anything back? Right, so obviously you cannot reverse the transactions. Since transactions on the XRP ledger and on all other blockchains become final after sending. There's no reverse or anything like that. There's no authority who can roll it back, nothing. What you can do on the XRP ledger is, however, you should Google XRpdev. It's the first website you should go to. And on this website, go to forensics and click on I've lost money. The first thing you shall do is report this account. So you go there. You can see that. Also, I'm going to open the website though as well. Pumpripple.com. So if I'm on this website again, I'm going to copy now the address. So you just first copy the address, just put it there. Then as well, you're going to do the category. It's a doubler. Then you can put in the full URL. So then you put in there the URL of this thing here. And obviously I didn't lose money, but it's the fraudulent account, so ways to reach you can just leave it out and submit it. Way to reach you, well, I'm just gonna leave xrpdev1, so I didn't get scams, scammed yet, reported the account. Okay, right, so that's the first thing you can do. So XRpdev is just a private organization. They are obviously independent from Ripple. Their goal is to so not getting no response on the website, so that is a little bit odd. Maybe they do anything wrong here. Maybe they want the full URL. Okay. Well, I'm just going to refresh the forum, I guess, because I didn't get any response here. I'm just going to do one more time. All right. Yeah, okay. So entry is added. Okay, great. So now I've got the response here. It was added successfully, okay? Right. So let's go on here. So that's the first step you should do. Like I said, then they will be tagged as scam account and so on, and some people might find out about it. And some some exchanges have integrated a protection that they're trying to more or less cross-check if the account is marked as a scam account. So if then an exchange gets a deposit from a scam address, they can prevent that, so they can freeze the assets. But let's go on. So next is the first step you should do. Secondly, you should go to XRP Scan and check out the transactions. So if you go to XRP Scan, paste it there. Okay, right. Now we can go on. You can see here somebody have sent over an exchange 6,704 XRP. That's obviously very sad and horrible, but somebody did it. All right. Oh my god, that's even more horrible. Do you see that? Somebody has sent 33 XRP in there, and they sent it back to the sending address. I'm just wondering, is this probably not a scam account, is it? I don't think so, yeah. So they've sent the same amount back in order to fake it that the person who sent it first. Oh damn it, now I have to really try to figure this out. Yeah, I'm just wondering because the person has sent something and they've sent it back to the person with the same amount. I'm just wondering if they're trying to fake it so the person thinks, all right, I have to send more. But let's go on here. Like I said, the dangerous part is here is you can see here this person got scammed, this person got scammed, so over 11,000 XRP. And next part is these scammers, they obviously run this account and you can't take it away from them. But in order to cash out, they're using exchanges. Right now we can see here they are cashing out. They're cashing out 100 XRP, 1,000, 10,000, and they're sending it to these accounts. They have 3 accounts on this exchange fixed float. So the next thing you have to do is you have to go to fixed float. It's fixedfloat.com. They even have it in there. And you contact the support. So you go to support and whatever, live chat, and report it to them. So I want to report the account, whatever, the XRP, the XRP deposit account, XRP, the exchange accounts associated with the deposit, address of, let's go on. Then we're going to copy the first one, that's the deposit address, that's fine, it's the address of the exchange, and the destination tags, and then you can copy all the destination tags here. This is the first account of the scammers. They have apparently 3 accounts. This is the second scam account, and this is the third one in there. So you have to report it there. So obviously we might even have to provide some additional data. Maybe you have to leave your email and stuff like that. And after doing that, also exchange associated with the XRP deposit address of, so we can just enter, they are running a giveaway scam and cashing out by your exchange. Then obviously you can also link the website. So it's the next part. So you should document all of that. So starting with the Pump Ripple website, you just go onto there and you take screenshots. You can use the snipping tool, and I would recommend also writing it all down to a file. So like a screenshot, this website is going to be down on the next day. So take it and you just paste it in there. So document everything. So I would recommend using Word or LibreOffice or something like that, and document everything, all the blockchain transactions, all of it. Edit this text. So right now I just want to see where this goes. We can have a look here. Unfortunately, I can't help you advise on exchanges or website issues. Yeah, right. Great. So the part is there. So they're just basic support more or less, and they want me to react to that address, and I'm going to do that. But I'm just highlighting here that you take the people from the security department and write them an email and inform them. They might be able to first off even, if the asset is still on it, they can freeze it, and they might be able to return it to the rightful owner. And if it's not on there, they at least can block the accounts, so they can deactivate the accounts. All right. Okay. Yeah. Right. Well, there's nothing else to do here right now, so obviously I'm just going to do this privately done, because I have to write an email to Fixed Float and give them all information. But like I said, you document the website, you take screenshots of everything, you take a screenshot of the stream, you take screenshots of the accounts, you also write the addresses into the file, and then submit all of that to the exchange, and they might be able to help you. But these are the only steps you can do. Ripple cannot help you, because obviously Ripple is a company. They don't have special permissions there. They cannot just undo a transaction. They can't do anything about it. Nobody can. The only people who can is obviously when they try to cash out, they're sending it away from the scam account. They're sending it away from the scam account into a real one. So from the scam account, sending it to Fixed Float, so not to a real one, but to the account of the exchange. So Fixed Float is an exchange, and they send XRP to the account of Fixed Float, and they get internal IUs on the exchange with the destination 491184. Yeah, that's basically everything you can do. I will inquire the support to hopefully do something, and let's see where this goes. But this is the only thing you can do, and hopefully hope that the exchange might be lenient and help you there. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.